Well, we've had a request from a gCADPlus user who needs to interact with a designer who uses Vectorworks Landmark. And Vectorworks Landmark, rather like gCADPlus, saves its files in a proprietary format. It can also export DWG or DXF, and here's an example of what happens when you export from Vectorworks the DWG, an AutoCAD type file format. We're interested, or our designer is certainly interested, in contours. And if we look at the base here, and if I select, say, the text, each one of these pieces of text clearly indicates a contour line. I'm presuming that one there is an 18-meter contour line. But can you see that the text here, that's still a block, and we can't edit it terribly well. When we pick these lines, we get a group of polylines representing contours. So is that the 18-meter group, or is this? Can you see there's a considerable problem in this drawing. Not only that, there are viewports which translate into the model space area, other information here, and a whole swag of symbols. So this landmark, Vectorworks Landmark user, has been working in what to us is a strange way. They've started with a template, thrown all their symbols and other landscape details, and I started to work on a base plan, which may well have come from an architect. So this is really, really messy, and we can't edit it properly in the gCADPlus environment. So our recommendation is have your landmark designer export DXF, then bring the DXF in to gCADPlus without using AutoCAD's DWG. So we would hope that if we follow that method of translation, that Vectorworks Landmark can export something that we can actually work with. This is a massive drawing, by the way. It's 5 megabytes in size. We've done some of the translation and got it into gCADPlus and got the file size down to less than 500K, but this is still a very big and clumsy file to work with.